In this video, I'm gonna be showing you the easiest way to see or use Google Map on your Apple Watch SE. First of all, we have to activate Siri on our Apple Watch. So press the crown to go to your app library. In app library, open the settings app. In settings app, scroll down and tap on Siri and make sure you have activated Siri on your Apple Watch. And now on to use or see Google Maps on your watch, just say, "Hey Siri, open maps.google.com."
Here's what I found.
And just open the Google Maps link here. And then here we can see my Google Maps successfully open on my Apple Watch. Now you can just double press on your location to zoom in just like this. You can also move your location just like this, and you can find a specific place using this search box. Here are another way to use the Google Maps on your Apple Watch SE. First of all, you have to go to your iPhone and open the message app and then go to a chat or conversation. And in the chat or conversation, you have to send Google Map link. So maps.google.com. So this is the Google Map link, maps.google.com. Just send this link as a text message. Now go to your Apple Watch, press the crown and open the message app. Go to the chat or conversation and just open the Google Maps link. And here we can see the Google Map successfully open. Now you can just go ahead and use your Google Map from your Apple Watch SE. Thanks for watching.